In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove old caulk from around your tub and re-caulk. This is such an easy job, but I know if you're a beginner, you might be afraid to tackle it. Now, about 6 months ago, I made a video showing you how to clean the mold and mildew off of the caulk, but whoever caulked my tub originally must have used the wrong type of caulk. You need 100% silicone if this is going to work. So I got myself a tube of caulk, some cleaner, and let's get started and get this thing done right. Begin by using a razor blade or a similar tool to remove the bulk of the caulk. Just guide it along beneath the old caulk on the bottom and the side. It should come off relatively easily. If it's really dried and stubborn, you can buy a solvent to help soften the caulk. Continue to scrape until the surface is clean. Remove any residue. I used Goof Off because I had it on hand, but a variety of solvents will work just as well. You'll want the surface to be clean of old caulk and dry. Now it's time to caulk. Make sure you're using a caulk intended for bathrooms. Some guys can lay down a perfect bead of caulk. I'm not one of those guys, so I'm going to use this tool to smooth out the bead. It worked a lot better on my baseboard than on my tub, so I'm going with the tried and true wet finger. It made for a really clean and smooth caulk seal. The razor and tool that you saw were from this kit, available on Amazon. I'll link it down below. I'm no expert, I'm just an average guy. If I can do this, so can you. If this helped you at all, please like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you here next time on the Average Me channel.